my dad is going on a video which will be caught. Why do we know he creeps all the cute noises? I don't make noises. I don't. Tiny Wow is really cute. Hold on, we're gonna make some monkey sounds. Thank you for the pat. Okay, I'm done being angry. I dare you to attack those buffalo. No! No, Monster Slime Protector. You're the monster protector. We gotta protect all Bulgors. We can't let Bulgors be extinct. Bulgors are friends, not food. What? Innocent civilian. Onto my knife you go. Onto my knife. But yeah, that is what happens when people are being naughty, you know. Smack you in the tail. No selling outside drink. Oh, I can't believe my horn is getting eaten.